Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to not suggest your TikTok account to your Facebook friends, because sometimes we want to hide our TikTok account to our Facebook friends. So in this video I will show you how you can easily do it. So without wasting time, let's start video. So firstly, open the TikTok application. So when you will open the TikTok application, here is the options of profile at the bottom right corner. So click on profile. So after this, you can see three lines on the top right corner, and then click on setting and privacy. So after this, here is the option of privacy. So click on privacy, and then click on suggest your account to others. So after this, you can see this option is on now, Facebook friends. So when you will turn it off, so you can see your account will not suggest it to your Facebook friends. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.